people, it's a late one. I'm going to start a new thing on this YouTube channel. Basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going over my charts for the week. So on a Saturday or Saturday night, I'm going to go over the charts, upload the video on the Sunday, and then obviously play out the week. If you guys want to join the Telegram or go on my Instagram, I'm going to be posting all my trades on there throughout the week, so you can see it beforehand, and then I'm going to upload another video on the following Sunday, basically going over the last week's trades and going over the new week's setups. Okay, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to be going over the charts now, and yeah, peace, my people. So we're back at it. So we're on GBP USD at the moment. I only obviously trade a few pairs. You might not be able to see. I trade GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, and AUD CAD at the minute. This pair is fairly new, but I'm liking the way it's looking, so this is one of the pairs I'll be trading. As you can see, I've already got stuff marked out anyway. Going into the GBP USD chart, daily time frame, we're in a bullish trend at the moment. As you can see, we're creating high highs, broken this level of structure here, and we're in a bullish time frame. So I'm expecting buys, which is exactly what I've got this here. At the minute, we're having a pullback. We've already pulled back into this zone, and just pushed this way back up. I'm waiting for it to come back into this level here. As you can see, drop down into 4 hourly time frame. If we do get some commotion in this area, then we're going to look for something to push the price back up to these highs and even take out these highs as well. We have to wait for the 4 hourly time frame to push bullish, which it has done here. This is the previous low, so what we're looking for is something to either break this high at the minute, or break this low. Preferably what I would like is for price to come down, take out this liquidity down here, and maybe some liquidity over here as well, but potentially just take this one out. So we've created a new low and then a new high on the 4 hourly, break that high, drop down to the hourly time frame, wait for the same break on the hourly to push us in the same direction, which is obviously bullish. And then we'll look down on the 15-minute time frame for our entry, which is an engulfing pattern within the zone or just outside of the zone. Okay, that's pretty much the strategy. So the exact same thing for GBP JPY, but obviously we're bearish. Reason we're bearish is because we have essentially what we've done. Well, we're not bearish, we're bullish actually at the moment, but I'm waiting for it to come into this zone. So on the daily time frame, we're bullish, so we'd get rid of that. This is the previous zone on the daily. This is the zone we're looking at, which it did already come in and retest. I'll show you on the 4 hourly while we had the other zones marked out. What we're looking for is potentially some longs from this area. As you can see, at this retracement, created a lower low, it's creating a high, it's come back down to retest off this zone here, which has been tested multiple times. Even rejection wick here. So if you get something here nicely on the 4 hourly time frame, this was the zone that's previously marked at, which is exactly where it's at. If we can get a nice push up, and then potentially break out these highs and continue the trend. Okay, same, dropping down to the hourly time frame, waiting for the bullish engulfing, waiting for it to show the same trend as the 4 hourly and the daily, and then we'll look to get in on the 15-minute time frame. USD JPY, pretty much as similar as GJ, but we're looking for shorts for the USD, obviously to lose in terms of strength. You can see it's rejected off here. We did break structure, come down, broken this structure level, so we are in a bearish. We are bearish at the moment, bearish trend. As you can see here as well, we've got left shoulder, head, and then a right shoulder as well. So if we can either wait for something to push back up, or we can get something in and around this zone to suggest that we can continue going down, then we'll look to get in for some shorts on USD JPY. Same thing, wait for the zone. You didn't really get an entry signal here, so I wasn't too happy with taking a trade. Hourly time frame here as well, and then also with a 15 minutes. So we'll wait for some sort of push back up around here, hopefully. And then for a short, you see we've got into a few shorts here. We thought after the retest of this zone, but they kind of cucked us a little bit. And AUD CAD, fairly simple. Daily time frame, bearish. This will close bearish. I'm expecting something to push back up into this zone here before we continue down. I'm not for next week, so I'm not expecting a straight push next week. We might not even get in on this trade. Just depends, but I'm expecting some sort of pushback up into this zone, and then we can start looking for sells, especially when we're underneath the 200 EMA. Exactly the same thing. So yeah, that's what we've got marked out for this week. Like I say, go to the Telegram, go to my Instagram. I've also got a free PDF which is coming out as well, which is Discipline Mindset. So if you are struggling with discipline with trading, I honestly suggest you just go and have a read of that, get a bit more of an understanding of what that's about, and then it might help you out with your trading. But 100% join the Discord, join the Telegram, go follow the Instagram, so I'm going to post everything that happens over the week. And yeah, stay up to date that way. And what I'm going to do is post another video weekly and just show you guys what's happened and how we did within the week. Okay, so that's all for now, but stay tuned. Peace.